Alright guys, so today I want to show you how to make a bind plug for your transmitter. So a bind plug is used to bind your transmitter to your receiver so you're able to control your RC airplane or truck or whatever. So what we're going to do is you're going to want to cut it about right here. Okay. So we have this much left of the. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take this thing and split these wires right here. If you're able to. Back to where they're all separate wires. Okay, there we go. So now these are all separate. Now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to remove this middle piece right here, that middle one. So we're just going to lift up on this black tab right here. You may want to hold this middle wire so you're able to pull it out when you're ready. We want to go down here and lift up this right here and see if we can pull that out. There we go. Okay. So it's going to look like that. So we won't need this wire, so we can just lay it aside. Now what we're going to want to do with these is we're going to want to remove the insulation right here on both of the wires. So let's do that. You may want to take caution in how much you take off. A wire stripper would be very useful for this because you could very easily slice your wires as you're trying to cut the insulation off. Okay, so that's like that. Now let's go to the next one. There we go. Alright, so both of these wires are loose. What we're going to want to do now is we're going to want to twist these together. So to have these firmly together, just going to go like that. And on stuff like this, I always like to bend it around like that, and then put an extra twist on it. Makes it a very firm twist. Okay, so there's your bind plug.